Hey, Brian Gamardelli here from MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on the 2020 Robalo R180. So this boat has a Yamaha 150 on it. Yacht Lenco trim tabs. You got a nice tow bar here for water sports. Your depth sounder here. You got a cooler. 12 rod holder. The rod rack on the back of the helm seat. Everything is zero aluminum. We've got a large Garmin screen on the helm area. Your two Yamaha displays. A nice VHF. Here are your rocket launchers. And your Garmin radar. This boat does have a windlass, which is nice. Two more sealed rod holders in the front. And there's your tow bar. Again, this is a really great first boat, fully equipped for fishing on the Sound or the Great South Bay. Great for a young kid. If you're interested in this 2020 Robalo, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.